Good morning or good day. It's Wednesday, 11th of April 2018. Another day, another time for real-time daily trading ideas. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, market screen, and maybe 1 or 2 questions from your side directly answered in our webinar. Our goal is quick and smart, but for that daily, so let's have a nice start like every day. And like every day, we will start with our risk disclaimer. Forex and CFDs are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. If you are a starter, please start with a demo account and make yourself familiar with leverage trading, long trading, short trading, and your personal risk management. If you would like to read the full risk disclaimer, just visit one of our web pages, for example, admiralmarkets.com, and you will see everything displayed there. This is me. My name is Jens. I'm talking from the Berlin office from Admiral Markets. We are a big international broker with over 18 country offices. So my English is made in Germany, but hopefully some of my quality too. But I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. This is our scheme. On Monday, it's Jay's day. On Tuesday, it's Paul's day. Like today, on Wednesday, it's Giancarlo's day. On Thursday, it's Dinner's day. On Friday, it's Dick's day. Our leading day traders live. And of course, if you like to trade Forex and CFDs, we would be happy if you do it with us. Many benefits only available at Admiral Markets. Some examples: DAX 30, one of our bestseller, triple spread to the main trading hours, just 0.8 points. You can trade mini lots, you can choose MT4 and MT5, and of course safeguards, negative balance protection policy. Check all the details out on admiralmarkets.com. There you will find also something about our regulatory background and how to contact us. You can call us, you can send us an email, or visit the other channels like YouTube or Facebook. Usually all the webinars will be recorded and a couple of hours later available on the YouTube channel. So usually it's enough from my side. Now it's time for Giancarlo, but today it's a special day. We had some issues with our demo accounts today. So hopefully most of the issues are solved, but if you had issues with the demo accounts, we hope our technical admins are working hard on it, that in the next 10, 20, 30 minutes all will be solved. If you have some problems with the demo accounts, just be patient and hopefully in the next minutes will be solved. Real accounts, of course, was not involved, only the demo accounts, and yeah, sorry for that, some issues today with the demo accounts. Enough from my side, now time for Giancarlo. Hi, good morning, good day. I hope your demo account is running, Giancarlo, and now your view to the markets.
Good morning, gents. Good morning, traders. Today is a very important day because we have a lot of macro data. First one, we have to note that at 1 o'clock we have a speech of Mr. Mario Draghi, and today the focus of a trader is about the core inflation in USA, and at 4:30 crude oil stock change. We remember too that trading way to the FOMC minutes tonight to understand from the minutes the rule and next step of monetary policy of Federal Reserve for next meeting in June. So now we're starting to take a look at SP 500. Today we have to speak about something very important because as we have seen in the last days, we are near to start a great accumulation to have a new rallies in USA indexes. First one, yesterday, the Chinese has seemed to try to de-escalate the war of words between the Trump administration and Chinese official about the trade war. So in this case, we have seen that the market try to make a new high movement, and in this case, we are feeling that in the next weeks we can close this page of trade war start a good uptrend until May. Meanwhile, today we have to take a look at some very important points. First one, we have to take a look at this very important zone, 2,605. We have spoken about this very important resistance last week, and you can appreciate that as S&P for now maintain this zone. But today, with this very important macro data about inflation and FOMC minutes, we have to maintain the attention, because we can have some more important move due to the possibility of high volatility. In this case, I have prepared some important level that suggest to take a look today. First one, this zone between 679 and 684, because in case we can jump today until this zone, we can open a very good uptrend until this is very important zone between 700 to 718. So today, take a lot of care if we break out the maximum of yesterday in the 665, because we can have a jump between 20 and 40 point. The zone, the very important zone in case of reversal is this between 611 and 597. In case we break out this zone, we can have a new bearish acceleration. So for now, we are maintaining this zone, and today, after this important news starting from 2:30 European time, we can have more clear the possible direction of USA indexes in this case as Standard & Poor 500. So now we are going to speak about the situation of USA dollar, because we maintain a mixed movement in respect of export currency, or in this case, for example, in dollar yen and dollar CAD, we have assisted a very good jump. In case of dollar yen, we can appreciate that this jump is highly correlated to risk appetite. So if we assist a very high jump of USA indexes, we have a great possibility to touch the last target, and we have spoken last week here in 108. For now, we have assisted the breakout of 106.42. We maintain this zone. Take a lot of care today, because in case of a strong breakout of 107.50, we can jump until here, and in extension during the next day, we can arrive until 109, 110. In the same time, we have to remember that if we lose this support, we can start to go to start a new bearish trend. But for now, we can appreciate this accumulation phases. So we are oriented to break out a new uptrend in dollar yen. In the case of euro dollar, same time, we have to take a look at a difference of quotation, because euro maintain and high uptrend perspective. So as we have explained in the last week, for now we maintain the important support of 1.2252, and now we are reached to the breakout this zone 1.2375. So we have a great. This is a very important resistance. Due is intermediate resistance. So in H4 time frame, we can appreciate the possibility, if we maintain this zone today, to reach this zone. The euro dollar maintain the long-term uptrend orientation. So my advice is to maintain high attention if we destroy 1.2440, because in this case we are going to attack the great resistance on 1.23. We can understand that this movement can ask a lot of weeks, but the euro dollar could be go in 1.7, 1.29. This is our objective if we take a look at weekly chart. So we know that here we have a great channel where this is a very important zone that can block the uptrend. But for now, I would like to remember that with the speech of Mario Draghi, we can have some movement today. So a lot of care, take a lot of care and take a look between these two zones, 1.2252 and 1.2375, to understand if you have a strong breakout and consequently the possibility to open a long or short. But now, as always, we are going to take a look at one of my favorite instrument to trade, DAX. DAX today maintain the zone between maintain the 12,000 point in the. Nothing is changed in respect of what we have tell the last week, but in these 2 days we have assisted a strong breakout of this very important zone in 12,273, and DAX try to reach this touch this important zone in 12,431. In this case, we have to maintain high attention if we are going inside this zone, because in case of a strong breakout of 12,533, we can assist a new uptrend for the rest of weeks. In each case, if we maintain this zone of 12,026, we can maintain, we can stay long or ended. So we can use pullbacks like buy opportunities, of course with a lot of occasion, because we know that DAX is very nervous index, and we have to maintain a lot of care. Of course, we remember that DAX will be sensitive to headline coming out of both the United States and China, as all over the stock markets we have explained for Standard & Poor's 500. It's important to remember that any failure to calm this trade war will send this market lower. At the same time, if China is trying, as yesterday, to work to maintain, to try to reach a point of equilibrium with Americans, the upward pressure will assist a very great upward pressure after consular boards. So today, maintain attention like the rest of weeks on these things. And now we are going to in the 50-minute chart to understand what is the possibility of trade for today. Of course, we are assisting a very nervous day. We have a very high volume and very low volume and low presence of smart money, but we can try to put some buy stop or sell stop to appreciate this afternoon the possibility of high volatility. For long, I strong suggest to put and buy stop in this point for 111, and just to put that. And in this case, we can start a buy stop here with profit at least in this point. 471 and stop. We can maintain a stop in this zone because if we have a breakout at this point, we have a great possibility not only to break out the maximum of yesterday here, but to reach a new high. Of course, as we have explained last week, we always use trailing stop because the market is very nervous and can assist a very strong pullback. In the case we lose today this very important zone, this blue zone are zone made by smart money. We can start a short here in this point, 326. We can put a stop here for intraday today, and we can try to reach this zone, but we can put here the profit in this zone because this zone is the gap of yesterday, so we can close the gap. But in case the first target in every case is in an event is 273, and as we can see, you can use the Oak order, but in because today is very difficult to see a great volatility, but in every case we maintain a bullish view. Take a lot of care if we destroy this zone of 411 for long, and for short down 330. So now we are going to take a look to gold, because I remember that last time one of our traders asked for gold, so I have prepared a small view about gold. First one, we have to understand that the inversal correlation with the dollar, and we know that the low dollar help a lot the jump, help a lot to have a high demand of commodity, so like the black gold, the gold can jump. Today we maintain in daily chart, we maintain a very range, a very important range between 1,350 and 1,325. We can appraise better the situation in this moment. I have a strongly uptrend view. We can have a great jump in next month of gold. For now, we have to understand that the price of gold is manipulated by central bank because due to the low quantity of physical gold in the large market, so they try to maintain the price down this zone of 1,366 because they want to put the investor in the stock market. If we want to understand better, you can appraise it this zone. If you can see that from the last time in just a moment here. The last maximum in this zone was in 12,013. So you can understand how is important this zone, because in the case of a strong breakout, we can start a new long-term uptrend. The first target will remain 1,400, and in extension in next years in 1,800. Just to take a look at the oil, because we have the news today. We have assisted this jump due to the conciliatory words between Chinese and American too. We are very near to break out the $66. So I would like to suggest to take a look this zone today, because oil seems ready to start a strong breakout of this zone and reach the first one, the target of $67 and $70. I suggest to take a look at this support, because in case we have a pullback and we maintain this zone, we have a great opportunity in this pullback, we have a great buying opportunity in this pullback. Down this zone, we have to wait because we have to understand if we have the sufficient power to break out this zone. We are taking a look now at the cryptocurrency. I would like to speak about today Litecoin, because Litecoin might reach a very important zone, $115, because we know that the view the view of cryptocurrency maintain in a bearish way, but the trend remain intact for now, because all this down movement suggests that investors wait on for governments and regulators to understand if we are going to start a new uptrend. For now, we have to take a look at this zone, because if we don't maintain this zone, the next support is very far here in $72. So for me, it's very important to explain to you that I think that in next month we can create a great accumulation. So for now, we can, in the case we maintain the price below 137, the downtrend remains. The longer we will study long entry only if we break out this very important zone, 173.72. So thank you very much to hold, and now at your disposal for any question.
So there was some market wishes, but you all fixed them already. So we speak about DAX and some others. So thanks for now. Again, today we had some technical issues just with the demo accounts, but hopefully it should be solved right now or already since 1 or 2 hours. So if you had some issues with demo accounts, sorry for that. And please try again. All login to demo accounts should running right now. Real accounts was not affected, only some of the demo accounts, and it should be solved. If still a problem, just contact the local client support from Admiral Markets, and we are happy to help. Tomorrow is another day, so tomorrow it's Senat's Day. Happy to see you again. We are here 11 o'clock German time, 12 o'clock Estonian time, 10 o'clock London time, wherever you are, to the same time tomorrow, real-time daily traders. Thank you, Giancarlo. Thanks to all who visit us, and see you tomorrow again. Bye-bye.